That dust storm was epic, and we got a big mess out there.
Why do I sound like a robot? I've never had this happen before.
I'm Tammy, and this is my husband Scott. We are two artists who, when faced with mounting health challenges, decided life's way too short. So we sold our home and most of our stuff to move into a home on wheels. We are now in our second year in an even smaller RV, and along with Gracie and Jasper, we've hit the road full time in search of new landscapes, experiences, and friends. We'd love to have you join us as we navigate our way through this RV lifestyle, and until further notice, our mission is explore, create, and inspire.
Yeah, so Tammy's been sick all week, and this morning she's kind of freaking me out because her voice doesn't sound like her. What are you doing?
I'm Googling why does my voice sound like a robot? Because I don't understand what's happening. Does anyone else know why my voice sounds like a robot? If you do, comment below, because it's freaking me out. I can't even take it seriously because I sound like a robot.
Okay, well, I'm thinking maybe I'll go get some helium and we can raise the pitch just a tad.
Well, none of these sound very good. This isn't going to be good for vlogging. 1, laryngitis. My vocal cords might have swollen, often caused by a upper respiratory infection, which I've had. Treatment is to rest the voice. It often lasts for just a few weeks. Okay, the other option is vocal cord paralysis. I did have the worst migraine of my life last night. Maybe that did something to my vocal cord. And then the third option is spasmodic dysphonia. This is a nerve problem that causes the vocal cords to spasm. It can make the voice sound tight, quivery, jerky, hoarse, or groany. Doesn't say robot. Doesn't say it sounds like a robot. Gotta be laryngitis. What do you think? Has anyone had laryngitis before? What do I do?
Well, I think the best thing to do is just rest your voice. Maybe don't talk for a few days.
This is like your dream come true.
Well, I guess you're stuck with me doing the vlogging this week. Well, I've lived in Colorado my whole life, and I'm not sure I've ever seen a windstorm like this one. Yeah, I came. Okay, that's a biggie. But this is like a multi-day event, and it's just around the clock. We're getting, sustained winds for 24 hours now, almost, in the probably 35 to 40 range, and 60 to 70 mile an hour gusts, and it's just non-stop. Okay, it's day 2 of the Windageddon, where we've had 70 mile an hour gusts, we've had tons of dust in the air, and then it sprinkled for about 30 seconds to make sure it stuck to everything. I think we're going to be having a pressure washer day here in the next couple of days. The sun is shining in Colorado and the wind's not blowing. So today's maintenance job is to replace the seal right here that's on top of the main living room slide. It's been failing since we bought this thing. The corner was cracked when we got it. Knew it would get worse, and it has. It's completely separated. Needs to be replaced. We're getting her done today. So you're welcome to join me and see what we can figure out together, because I don't really know what to expect. Well, that's how it goes. I pulled one screw out, and I thought I better check the length of the replacement seal that Vanleigh sent me. Pulled it out, and shoot, I'm 3 feet short plus. So we're not going to be changing this thing out today. Fortunately, it's right on the edge. Gonna have to get back with Vanleigh, get another one ordered, and Hopefully the long list of defects is almost checked off. Well, the message on the black tank says full. We're gonna get the macerator pump out, and I'm gonna do it all by myself. Little refresher course on the macerator pump. We're gonna pull the cap off of here. We're gonna put a clear collar on there so we can actually see what's going on behind the curtain. We're gonna hook up the macerator pump. They only give you about 6 feet of cord. That's gotta be hooked up to a battery source. I don't have more wire, so I'm gonna pull the truck up and use the truck battery. And don't take this all as expert advice, because basically I just bring you along to show you how I bumble through it over and over and over again. And that's kind of what you do when you live in an RV. And I did put a bungee cord around the hose on the other end, holding it into the clean out that I'm using. Fingers crossed that that bungee cord holds. And really, this is where you need the extra person, because if that came loose up there, it would make a real mess. The macerator pump's like a game changer, because before we had it, when I would empty the black tank, I had to tote it up the hill, you know, 3 times, 4 times for every time the black tank was full. All right, so we're macerated, and I'm hoping Tammy's got her voice back, because I'm getting overwhelmed. I got things to do. Tired of being the blogger. I'm on top of the world, and there's the Spanish Peaks. That's the Sangre de Cristos over by Westcliff, or over there. You can see them from here on a clear day, which it is. And that's Mount Mestis right there. Okay, I'm running out of things to vlog about. How's your voice?
Much better, babe. You're off duty.
Okay, it's all coming back to me now. Oh, here comes a car. Hang on. The message on the Okay, we'll try that again, looking at the lens. That's a stupid thing to say. They give you the cut.